Well, everyone, it's been a wonderful 2020, at least for the track season anyway, the most part. So we're leaving Michelin Raceway Road, Atlanta for the last time in 2020, and we'll be back next year, 2021. And so anyway, just wanted to say, hope everyone has a happy new year and a Merry Christmas. And there's Trip. What's he up to? Crazy guy. Anyway, yeah, so everyone have happy holidays. And Corsa crew looks forward to being at Road Atlanta, Barber, Atlanta Motorsports Park next year with Chin Track Days, Just Track It, Jay-Zilla, Porsche Club, Alabama, Peach State, BMW Club, Atlanta and Alabama. So excited for next year. Got some big plans to continue to contribute to the track day enthusiasts all around. So anyway, we're gonna keeping everyone on track and helping everybody know exactly what to do to their car to make it perform exactly how they want to and get the most out of their hobby and have fun, because that's what it's all about. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So in between now and then, if you need track preparation, maintenance on your vehicle to get it ready for next season, give us a shout, Joseph at CorsaCrewRace.com, or message below down in the comments. And reach out to us. We have a full-blown shop and offices, storage warehouse facility located 5 minutes from Barber Motorsports Park in Birmingham, Alabama, or more specifically, Leeds, Alabama. So if any of that pertains to you, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. We work on all makes and models of sports cars and sometimes other things. Although we primarily specialize in sports cars, high performance, track preparation, horsepower upgrades, cosmetics, and don't forget about Slick Obsession Auto Detail is also located right with us there in Birmingham, and they can handle all of your detailing needs and also paint protected film installation and trimming. So anything to get your car prepped for the 2021 season, give us a shout. We'll be happy to help. And don't forget about Corsa Brew High Octane Coffee. That's what keeps me going every day. Getting to the track at 5:30 a.m. and leaving sometimes at 9 at night. And I have all the energy all the time because of Corsa Brew High Octane Coffee. It'll keep you focused on track and off the track. You'll set new lap time records. You'll have more conversations and be more social. You might meet that new girl you've been wanting to, or that man. Heck, you might even say hey to that uncle you don't like this Christmas. Hey, I guess what I'm trying to say is, we're going to restock some Corsa Brew High Octane Coffee here in 2 weeks. We're going to have 50 bags of whole bean available and 110 of the ground. And so I'll reach out and let everybody know when that's available. They'll be able to ship anywhere in the United States. And yeah, we'll let you know. Until then, if you need any products, safety gear, anything for your car that we can ship to you, give us a shout. We'll see you then. I'm Joseph. Bye-bye for now.